Question number 31. Highest point of Europe is A. Mount Elbrus, B. Mount 𝘂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒈𝒆𝒂, B. Mount McKinley, D. Mount 𝘂𝑃𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂. And the correct answer is A. Mount Elbrus. Question number 32. The lowest point of Europe is A. Death Valley, B. Valdez Peninsula, C. Lake Eyre, D. Caspian Sea. And the correct answer is D. Caspian Sea. Question number 33. What is the total area of Australia? And the correct answer is B. 8,600,000 square kilometers. Question number 34. Australia contains dash of total area of the earth. A. 6.1%, B. 5.9%, C. 5.9%, D. 4.9%. And the correct answer is C. For C and B both. Question number 35. The highest point of Australia is Mount Everest, located in Asia, Mount 𝘘𝘶𝘦𝘳𝑃𝒐𝒐𝒌𝑷𝒂𝒈𝒆𝒊𝒏𝒌𝒔, and Mount McKinley and Mount 𝘂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒃. And the correct answer is D. Mount 𝘂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒃. Question number 36. The lowest point of the Australia is A. Caspian Sea, B. Lake Eyre, C. Valdez Peninsula, D. Death Valley. And the correct answer is B. Lake Eyre. Question number 37. About dash of the Earth's crust is composed of aluminium. A. 26.4, B. 23.2, C. 8.1, and D. 13.2. And the correct answer is C. 8.1%. Question number 38. The deepest part of the oceans is A. Mariana Trench, B. Java Trench, C. Sunda Strait, D. Puerto Rico Trench. And the correct answer is A. Mariana Trench. Question number 39. The greatest depth in the Indian Ocean is A. Vostok, B. Sunda Strait, C. Mariana Trench, D. Java Trench. And the correct answer is D. Java Trench. Question number 40. The highest waterfall of the world is A. Angel Falls, B. 𝘘𝑗 Falls, C. Victoria Falls, D. Niagara Falls. And the correct answer is A. Angel Falls. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok, Facebook and WhatsApp. Thank you.